What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ralph, must you get every pair of blue-colored Jordan 1 that releases? Must you do that, Ralph? I mean, look behind my head. That's not all of them, because the Royals are right there. I have the Flyknit Royals in the other room. Like, Ralph, not even this right here. This is the powder blue Jordan 1s right here. Over here, these are those Gatorade blue joints. Ralph, must you get every single blue pair of Jordan 1s? Yes. Yes, I must. Do you all have to have every pair of red and black Jordan 1s? You do, right? You get them all. You get the Chicagos. You get the Breads. You get the little ones that are split down the middle with the red and the black and the white and the red and the... You do that. You get the bread toes. You get the black toes. You get the red toes, if there's a such thing. You all do it. I'm just getting my favorites, okay? So, let's go ahead and get into these right here, man. Y'all know I had to have these, man. I had to have these. You see it. White tape, Nike box, of course. Nike box, man. Y'all know how this works. So, let's go ahead. I haven't seen these in person yet. I'm excited. Soon as I heard about these, I said, these are happening right here. These are for sure happening. This is a for sure right on. So I had to have these boys right here. Woo! I'm excited, man. Boom, there's the box. And this is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. And that's a return slip. I ain't returning them. So let's go ahead. Throw that box over there. Put that receipt for you receipt boys over there. All right, so boom. Jordan 1 box, of course. And this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Hyper Royal in a sale, baby. Size 14, of course. Boom. Hope you all can see that. Hope the light is not killing you. Let's go ahead and get into these, man. This is going to be my first. Oh, I just caught a glimpse. It's going to be my first time seeing them, too. Woo! These might be my new favorites. I'm sorry. These might be my new favorites. Oh, let's go ahead and get into them, man. Woo! Woo! But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Whew, that is not white. I thought that was white all this time. It is actually a sail kind of color. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Now, y'all know I had to have these. Y'all know it. You know I had to have these boys right here. Whoo. Oh. Welcome home. Welcome home. I had to have. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me get that. Let me help you out of there. New Jordan 1 smell. There's not very much things that's better than that in the world. Oh, that leather on these boys is crazy. Yo, I almost spent extra to get these ahead of time. I was on Fine Line's site and I almost paid extra to get these because I just wanted to have them early. I liked them so much that I wanted to have them early, but I said to myself, nah, Ralph, don't do that because people sleep on blue shoes. So why would you pay extra to get them early when people aren't going to buy this shoe and you can get it for less than retail? So that's what I did. Wound up getting it for a little bit under retail. So, oh man, it's a Jordan 1, of course. You got your all hyper, what is it? What do they call them? It's Cobalt Hyper Royal. You got your all Hyper Royal with your sail there. Oh man, it just is great. This is greatness. These are just too sweet. These are too sweet, man. Look at, yes, sir. Look at the leather quality on these boys right here, man. 160. I paid like 144. Definitely worth it, man. Definitely worth it. It's shoes that cost more than this that don't feel as good in hand and as quality of leather as these, man. Look at the leather. Oh, yo, these definitely well worth my money, man. You got your Wings logo here. The sail is on the white, what looks like white. I hope it's showing. It may not be showing, but this isn't a direct like white, like how this is white, how this is white, how that's white. This isn't that same color. It is kind of a creamy color and not quite white. You can see it more so on the Nike Air there. Look at the leather on the back of that. Look at the quality. Oh man. These Nike Air on the inside. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if you can even release another. Like, what more blue can you do? Jordan Brand? What more? You can't release any more Jordan 1s with blue in them. I think that's it. I think you've cornered the market. I don't know how you would do it unless you're going to release one that's all blue with black where the white is. I don't know what else you do. Like, these are nasty, man. I'm glad I decided to wait and get. Oh my goodness, look at that, man. Look at that. Hold on, this is not the. Nope. Quality wise, the way the materials are on the shoes, I mean, these are suede, so that's different. But and these are the mids. These aren't Jordan 1 highs. But the quality wise, these might be the best ones next to the Royals. The Royals are built very well. But these are amazing. Please don't sleep. If you're watching this video and you've been thinking about getting these, go get them. Go and get them because they are worth it. But these definitely, man, get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. But anyway, that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. And this is going to be it for a while, man. This is the last sneaker video that I'm going to do for a while. It's time for a break. It's time for a break. I've hinted at this before. Like, my wife has said that this is enough. You got to take a break. So I am on sneaker punishment for a little bit. And I've already put the video up. The Yeezys, the Yeezy 500s, they're right there. That video was actually already up, but that was the last sneaker that I purchased. So nothing for like the next few months. There's not going to be many sneaker purchases, man. So doesn't mean I won't talk sneakers with you all. I might do sneaker videos that I purchased, top 10 that I purchased this year. This is on that list. I'll figure it out, man. But there's other content, there's other things I'd like to explore as well. So this sneaker restriction is giving me time to try to work on other things as well, man. As far as YouTube is concerned, I've always said I'm not strictly a sneaker channel, so this will give me the opportunity to try other things. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. I don't remember if I said that. Thank you all for your support. I truly appreciate it. More content, maybe not sneaker related, but more content is definitely on the way. And I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.